Here in Germany, private garages normally have swing doors. This garage in Leverkusen has been home to the Schumacher family's car for 7 years. But they say it's pretty boring. It's just for driving the car in and out and storing junk. A fate this garage shares with many others around the country. Now the Cologne-based Sassenbach advertising agency wants to change that.
Thomas Sassenbach had the idea. He was driving through his old hometown of Cologne and saw lots of really ugly garages, like this one here. And he thought, we really have to do something about it.
Sassenbach developed the 3D motifs, which are then printed on waterproof tarpaulins. Images of expensive cars or excavators replace peeling paint. Udo and Tina Schumacher want to brighten up their garage. They've found over 100 motifs to choose from online.
We like the boat best.
Yeah, the boat's great. It's something different. Not a car or a vehicle with wheels. It's a boat in the garage. It's not something you see every day.
You can order online. The poster costs 169 euros plus postage and packing. Some 200 orders per week from all over the world land on Carmen Höniger's desk in the agency.
Most of the orders come in over the weekend. That's when people have time to sit down with their partner and choose their favorite design. Maybe a special design, for example.
Carmen Höniger discusses the latest designs with graphic artist Verena Lenninghausen. The Christmas edition is also in 3D, like most of the garage posters. It goes on sale in a few weeks' time.
The special thing about these 3D garages is that it seems as if you can look through them. You see the winter landscape in the background. You can really see Santa Claus flying past, as if the garage were an entrance to the Arctic world of Christmas.
There's a tradition of optical illusion in art, created by realistic pictures on different levels. Details which look as if they have been added at a later stage make the image appear three-dimensional, a technique popular during the Renaissance. Modern artists like British pavement artist Julian Beaver also work with optical illusions. The advertising agency is also using the idea on room doors. So even the largest pet fits into a small room. Or if you prefer, a pile of gold bars. For the time being, Tina and Udo Schumacher are staying with the garage poster. It was delivered by mail. They have to put it up themselves. They do that with the help of Velcro stuck in the garage door and the back of the poster. It resists all kinds of weather and is easy to remove. Tina and Udo Schumacher are delighted with the poster. Now they are curious to see how their next visitor will react to their spruced-up garage door.
Also der nächste Besucher.
Der wird Augen machen, ja.
Auf dein Wohl?
Ja.
Aufs Schiff?
Auf das Boot.
The dream of owning their own boat has come a tiny bit closer to becoming reality.
Auf das Schiff.